Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday for me, and as I promised, if there will be some kind of trades in the weekends on cryptos, then I will record them, of course. Now I am looking at Solana, possible entry for sales. We are making good weakness showing with these. Of course, the EMAs still are pretty high and separate from each other. We are not, let's say, in this position when we have EMAs completely switched, but still I'm looking at possible entry because overall context looks good. 6 hour is just rejecting the EMAs, maybe broke up but still rejecting the EMAs, and looks like we could potentially go down. And yeah, I have placed my order. Of course, we are not right now in a trade, but if market drops down and taps me in, that's where I want to be involved in. And yeah, if market starts to recover and respect the EMAs, let's say closes somewhere here, then I will cancel the order. But at the moment, looks nice, and I will take the entry if entry presents itself. And yeah, then Bitcoin, I will not take it. We could take, let's say, this as the first MB, structure break or whatever, and this as the second one, but I will not take it because on validation, I will say that this is a flush and we are starting to chop. If you look at Solana on validation, we are looking more bearish, not in a chop basically, and yeah, I'm not willing to risk right now on Bitcoin. I don't know. Of course, they both move the same way, but I don't want to take two exactly the same positions because at the end of the day, Solana will move down if Bitcoin moves down. So if I risk on both of them, then there is possibility to take a loss on both of them. So I don't want that because we are not clear. Bitcoin and crypto right now is holding very good in comparison with other markets like indexes, stock markets, agriculture, gold, and etc. Coffee, US oil. All of the markets dropped heavily in the past 2-3 days, like heavily. Yesterday alone, we wiped out $2.5 trillion from the stock market. And crypto, on the other hand, still is at the same prices. Basically, we are still at these prices. These prices is the same prices. Basically, if you look at US 30, we are here on Bitcoin. On cryptos, we haven't had this kind of a drop that we have on any kind of indices, stock, any kind of economy in Europe. These kind of drops, Hong Kong index, Italy index, Euro stocks, French index, gold versus Japanese yen, silver, copper, coffee. Actually, coffee not that significant a drop, but still, US oil. So, and Bitcoin still is at the same prices where Trump announced those tariffs, because at this point, Trump was announcing the tariffs. So crypto is still holding, and actually that's a good sign on the bullish side for crypto. So that's why I'm not 100%. I don't want to risk my money on Bitcoin and Solana together. I will just, if Solana gives me the entry right away, let's say in the next hour, I will take it. If not, if it still keeps chopping around, then I will skip the entry and wait for something new. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, if we close somewhere here, then I will say that we are really respecting the EMAs and there's more potential to go higher than lower. But if we do straight away in the next 1 hour candle do this, then I am happy to take and trade. Yeah, so with that being said, I'll place my alert right here as well. Let's write cancel order. And yeah, so at the moment that's it. Of course, it's weekends. I will go play paddle with friends, etc. But I'll be back later on today. Maybe we'll have a trade or maybe not. So yeah, that's it for now, and see you guys later. Good morning. It's the next day, and yeah. So yesterday we took this trade, the Solana. Unfortunately, didn't get the partial. Partial was somewhere here, and was waiting for partial here, and yeah, I got stopped out to break even. And then in the morning today, I took this, basically first MB, and this one has the second MB, and took an entry, placed my stop on a break even, and just got stopped out at break even. And yeah, basically 2 break evens. But yeah, still looking to possible re-entry like this. And yeah, would still call these two as NMBs, of course. Looks great. Yeah, and one more, I'm looking at Ethereum as well. Didn't get yesterday anything. Actually, I wasn't looking at Ethereum yesterday, but yeah, we had this MB, but yeah, I didn't take it. So if this candle closes like this in the next 54 minutes, then I'll place it on order, and yeah, to go higher, or in reality to go lower. Bitcoin as well, but I will not take it. I'll not take it. Yeah, so for now, that's it. I will go to the gym. It's weekends, of course, markets are closed, and there's nothing really to do. And yeah, if this candle also, the 1 hour candle on Solana closes somewhere here, then I will place an order as well, but I will see. And yeah, so that's it for now, and see you guys a little bit later. What's up? I'm back from the gym, and basically took Bitcoin. Yeah, I told that basically I will not take Bitcoin because we have validation MB. The validation MB invalidated, and then yeah, but I thought I will take it. I decided to take it. Why? Because Ethereum showed a good potential, and they will move exactly the same. And I just Ethereum has huge spread, so then I will just take Bitcoin, who has almost zero spread. And yeah, so that's why basically I took it. And yeah, so right now in this one and in Solana as well, got into Solana for the 3rd time. Hopefully it finally runs to the downside, because on the technical side it looks really great, but those are just technicals, and they can change in one candle. But overall looks really nice, so hopefully it runs. And yeah, so I'll be back when something new happens, and yeah. Okay, fuck it, took all of them at the end of the day. Just on Ethereum I risked only $500, because I don't have margin for more than that, and the spread is also quite big, so on Ethereum. So yeah, I just risked 500 on it, which would be something like 2% from the account. So yeah. Then Solana already took out a partial, waiting for full take profit, so we are good. So Bitcoin is on a break even, risk free, so that's good. And just waiting for partial, and yeah, everything is at the moment dropping, which is good and as expected. So Ethereum actually almost hit full take profit. Hopefully it now doesn't retrace back to the fucking break even, but yeah. So I'm back, and yeah, Ethereum just hit full take profit, so that's good. And yeah, so we are left with Solana, basically good weekend trading. Unfortunately, Bitcoin, yeah, it is what it is. Can't take them all, you know. But we were in a trade, if you remember, right here, and yeah, it stopped me out at break even, and I was flying down. But yeah, basically that's it. We'll just wait for Solana, and yeah, so I'll be back once hopefully Solana hits full take profit and we are done for the day. So I'm back, and we have a full take profit on Solana. That's great. Everything is fucking dying at the moment. Cryptos, but it's just as expected. So yeah, that's it for this episode. Leave a like, subscribe, join our Discord. Yeah, join our Discord. We post trades we take. Even today posted. Yeah, today we made I don't really know how much, like for 7,000, something like that. And then basically we are right now at $33,000, which is fucking good. So let's keep on going. Still a long way to go to 100k, but yeah, it looks good. So that's it for this episode, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.